This is Deb from businessbuildingshortcuts.com, and this video is about setting up an opt-in box that you can put on your website or blog using one shopping cart or KickStartCart, which we recommend. So what you want to do is to go to your login for KickStartCart, enter your username and password, and click Login Now. After you log in, you'll be taken to your summary page that will show you an account summary as well as give you access to all of the different functions you have within KickStartCart, depending on the level of your subscription. This time we're going to be going in and creating an opt-in box. So you want to go to Email and Marketing and scroll on down to Custom Forms and go over to Opt-in Forms and click that. On the next page, you will be able to select the contact fields you want to show up on your opt-in box or form. It always requires email, obviously, and then you can select from an array of other fields you might want to collect. Initially, you'll probably want to collect the least amount of information necessary because the more you ask for, the less likely it is that people will actually opt in. In this case, I'm going to be asking for their name so that I am able to customize any emails that I send to them with their first name. So I want it to show up on the form, and I want it to be required, meaning if they don't give me their name, the opt-in box won't work. After you click that, you could click down here on Continue to Step 2. You'll be taken to this page where you can set up additional information about your autoresponder opt-in box. So you want your copied on form data and autoresponder responses to be yes. We're not doing a questionnaire, so we'll skip these two. What we want to do is join our mailing list autoresponder. So you want to use the drop-down box to select the name of the autoresponder that you want people to receive when they opt in on this particular opt-in box. And I've selected by domain, which is an autoresponder I set up for people who sign up to our mailing list through a PDF report that I've created about how to set up and buy a domain name from GoDaddy. And then here is where you want your thank you page. After people opt in, give you their name and their email address, and they click submit or whatever your text says, they'll be taken to a thank you page. If you leave this blank, it will go to a standard page. So what you want to do is create your own thank you page that might give them other information about the list that they just joined, or extra thanks, or perhaps offer an affiliate product. You would put that URL here. You would enter your URL or your domain name and then the name of your thank you page. And that's all there is to it. Then you would scroll down and click Continue to Step 3. You will be taken to the next page that will give you the HTML code that you will need to paste, copy, save, and then paste into your blog or onto your web page. That is right in here. So what you want to do is make sure that you do copy all of this and then paste it into a text editor or some other place where you can save it, because KickStartCart's not going to save this for you. It'll recreate it each time, but it's just easier to label what it is and put it somewhere that you can get it when you need it. This is your ID for KickStartCart, and I've of course changed that. Then this is going to give you information that you could edit. How big do you want the boxes to be that they can type their email into? Right here where it says Align Center Input Type Submit, if you want your little submit button to say something else, like yes, I want the shortcuts, you would edit that here. You would just go ahead and select this and type in what you want to show up. And then down here, this would show up automatically, the URL that your KickStartCart is associated with. This would be your default mailing autoresponder, or the number of the autoresponder you want people to receive. Right in here where it says value after mailing thank you URL, this is where you would input, or actually the page that you put in earlier would show up here, the URL that you want people to be taken to after they opt in, and again your merchant ID. So you want to copy and paste that somewhere and save it. And then you would click Continue. When you click Continue, you'll be taken back to the page that lists all of your autoresponders. So that's all there is to creating an opt-in box. And you have saved, hopefully somewhere, that HTML code so that you'll be able to paste it into your blog or your web page. And if you've enjoyed this video and found it helpful, pop on over to www.businessbuildingshortcuts.com for more videos like this that show you how to do things that you need to do to quickly set up your web page or blog and hit the ground running online. Have a great day.